So I humbly request you to enter your vehicle and proceed to Sankwan. You will have this tomorrow. Tomorrow you are supposed to be.
Just a minute, madam. First of all, let's say good morning. But secondly, madam, this is my team. I just woke up. Just a minute, please. I am briefing them so that we leave, madam. Don't be rude to us. We are Ugandans. This is my team. This is my team. I am briefing them so that we can leave, Madam Namara. Stop treating me like I'm a foreigner. Be an officer of the law. You blocked me from the hotel. Listen to me, madam. Be disciplined too also. Don't be an indisciplined officer, okay? I slept in the car. This is my team. I want to talk to them so that we get the hell out of here. Be disciplined, Namara. Don't provoke us, okay? This is my team. I am talking to them so that we live here. We can live here at any time we want, but we're living now. You don't count time for me. Hello. Mubere bakakam, okay? Mubere bakakam. Okay. Abai. Mubere kam, okay? Mubere kam. Eddie, it's okay. Abai. Cuma cahaya.